Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use FreshBooks for freelance accounting, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with FreshBooks, visit the FreshBooks website and sign up for an account. Choose the plan that fits your needs, considering the features you require as a freelancer. After signing up, log in to your FreshBooks account. Once inside, familiarize yourself with the dashboard where you can access all essential features. To create your first invoice, click on the Invoices tab in the left-hand menu. Select the Create Invoice button located at the top right corner of the screen. Fill in the client information by selecting an existing client or adding a new one. Ensure to input the correct invoice date and due date for payment. Next, add the services or products you've provided along with their corresponding rates. If necessary, include any taxes that apply to the invoice. Review the invoice for accuracy and make any adjustments before sending. Click the Send button to email the invoice directly to your client. You can also choose to download the invoice as a PDF if you prefer to send it manually. To track payments, navigate to the Payments tab on the left menu. Link your bank account or payment processor to allow online payments. This simplifies the payment process for your clients and helps you get paid faster. Keep track of your expenses by selecting the Expenses tab. Click Add Expense to enter any business-related spending. Categorize your expenses to help with tax preparation later. You can upload receipts by clicking on the Upload option when adding an expense. Utilize the Reports section to view financial summaries over different periods. Select the type of report you want, such as profit and loss or expense reports. This helps you keep a clear picture of your financial situation as a freelancer. If you hire subcontractors, add them under the People section for streamlined management. Explore integrations available in FreshBooks for tools you already use. Regularly check the dashboard for a snapshot of your business finances. This will help you stay organized and focused on your freelance work. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effectively using FreshBooks for your freelance accounting needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.